Hello guys, so today I will be reacting to Rosé's The Only Exception. It is a Paramore cover. I just want to say thank you to the person that commented and asked if I could react to this. Yeah, so I will be doing that now. So without further ado, shall we get started? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's playing her guitar. Wow, I just gotta say, like, the background, and Rosé with her guitar and everything, wow, she just looks super majestic.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. My mama swore that she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised that I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception.
Okay, so, like, if honestly we all knew Rosé can sing, and wow, her voice is on another level. Oh my gosh.
You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face.
Her voice is so husky here. Wow. You know what? Honestly, I'm gonna say this, and you guys heard it here. Rosé doesn't need YG. YG needs Rosé.
And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I have sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, 'cause none of it was ever worth the risk. For you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
Oh my gosh, I am in love. Wow. I didn't think it was possible to fall harder for Rosé. But wow.
Got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof that's not a dream. Whoa.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that note. Wow.
You are the only exception. You are the only exception. exception, and I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing.
So, wow, I just reacted to Rosé's cover of Only Exception, and Rosé, her voice is just so unique. You know, like as soon as you hear Rosé's voice, you automatically know it. It goes to like Rosé, like, oh, yep, that's Rosé. And it's actually funny that I'm reacting to this today because I was actually in Forever 21, and tell me why. As soon as I walked in, On the Ground started to play, and I was like, yeah, it was a sign. Honestly, when I was listening to Rosé sing, I forgot about all of my problems. Like I was just so tuned in onto with the lyrics and listening to Rosé's voice. Her technique is amazing, and this is what sets her apart from everyone else. Her voice, her technique. Man, honestly, like Rosé is just a great performer. Like, you know, and I don't think anybody would disagree with that. And if you disagree, then see ya. um, no, but let me know what you guys think of The Only Exception. And if you guys have any more covers you would like for me to react to, please drop it down in the comment below. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching.